Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga practice. The only props that you'll need is something to sit up on, like a blanket that you can put out for your knees for a little bit of cushion, especially if you have a thinner mat or are on a hardwood floor. So we're going to start in a seated position, so sitting up on that blanket or a little bit of a pillow to lift the hips a little bit above the knees. You can start with the hands in the lap, or you can bring your hands on your knees. I invite you to lower or close your eyes, taking a couple deeper breaths to begin. As you inhale, filling your belly, your chest, all the way up to your collarbones. As you exhale, trying to soften the shoulders, draw the belly in towards your spine. Repeating that twice more, that deep, full breath in. Slow exhale, relaxing the jaw, shoulders, and hips. One more time, breath in. Exhale it out. On your next inhale, softly opening the eyes, beginning to sweep the arms out and reach up. As you exhale, twisting to the right, so left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you. Inhale, sweeping the arms back up to center. Exhaling over to the other side. Inhale, coming up. As you exhale, right hand goes to the ground beside you. We're arching over, reaching through the left fingers. Inhale, coming up to center. Exhale over to the other side. Inhaling up, we're going to interlace the fingers. Palms flip up as you exhale, rounding the back, chin to the chest. Inhale, coming up, releasing the hands, and then bending at the elbows, lifting the heart. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, hands together and hands to the heart. We'll do that twice more. Inhale, sweeping up. Exhale, twist. Inhale to center. And exhale, twist. Inhaling, coming up. Side body stretch. So keeping that left hip on the floor as you open that side body. Inhaling to center. Exhaling over. Inhale, we're coming up, interlacing the fingers, palms flip. Exhale, pushing the hands towards me, chin to the chest. Inhale, we're reaching up, releasing the hands, and then bending at the elbows, lifting the heart up. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, hands together into the heart. One more time. Inhale, sweeping. Exhale, twist. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, up to the center. Nice side body stretch to the right as you exhale. Inhale. Exhale over. So just stretching the spine in every direction. Inhaling up. Interlacing the hands, palms up. Exhale, round. Inhale, reach, releasing the hands. Exhale, bending at the elbows, lifting the heart. Good, inhale, reaching up. Palms together. Exhale, hands down to the heart. Taking a breath in. Exhale, releasing the hands to the knees. We're going to make our way on to hands and knees next, so making your way into that shape. And if you want a little bit of extra cushion for your knees, having your blanket folded out a little bit wider so that it gives a little bit of cushion or support. And then in the hands and knees position, your knees are underneath your hips, hips width apart, hands underneath the shoulders, fingers spread nice and wide. So we'll do a few movements in this shape. So first we'll start with some cat-cow. Slight bend in the elbows so we're not locking at the elbows. On your breath in, we are dropping the belly, heart forward, looking forward or up. Exhale, tucking the tailbone, round the back, chin to chest. So inhale, belly drops, heart forward. Exhale, round the back like a Halloween cat, chin to the chest. Good, keep going. Inhale, belly drops. Exhale, back rounds. Relaxing the jaw with that exhale. Starting to move at your pace with your breath. Notice this massaging effect that we're creating on the internal organs, giving a little massage to the digestive system. And 3 more rounds, no rush. Again, moving at your pace with your breath. One last round for good measure. Coming back to a neutral spine, to a flat back. You can bring the big toes together. Your knees can go a little bit wider apart. We're going back into a child's pose, so the hips go back towards the heels, the forehead lowers down towards the floor. As the arms stretch out, relaxing the shoulders. If your forehead does not come to the floor, you can place another prop like a blanket or a block or something underneath your forehead to bring the floor to you. Letting the jaw relax. You might give a little sway of the head from left to right to massage out the forehead. Softening the hips, lengthening the tailbone. About 3 more breaths here. If you're feeling any discomfort in the knees, you can always take another blanket underneath, like in between the calf and the back of the thigh, so that you're not going quite as far back. And last breath in when you're ready. Exhaling it out. As you inhale, slowly rise back up to hands and knees. Now we're going to layer a little bit of cross-body coordination. So on your next breath in, we're going to be stretching that right leg back. And then as you exhale, lower that right knee down. So inhale, left knee back. Exhale, lower knee down. So you can keep it just with the legs, or next time that you lift that right leg, you might also lift that left arm in the opposite direction. Exhale, lowering the hand and knee. Inhale, left leg, right arm. Exhale, lower. So keep going, right leg, maybe left arm. So we're strengthening the back here. It's going to give a nice supportive foundation for your day. Good. Notice if there's any tension that's building in the jaw, the face, or the shoulders. We're going to do one more time on each side. So right leg, left arm. Left leg, right arm. Lowering down. All right, and then we're going to curl the toes. We're going to come up into a downward facing dog. And if this doesn't feel comfortable to your body, you can always go back to that child's pose. So lifting the hips up, giving a slight bend to the knees. You might pedal out the feet, bending one knee at a time. Shoulder blades down the back, relaxing the neck. You can lift up onto the balls of the feet and then lower the heels down towards the floor. Or you might give a little bounce in the knees, which is going to help to wake up the body. And then pausing in some stillness, letting the heels lower down. Good. Shoulder blades down the back, face soft, neck relaxed. Taking one more breath in. And as you exhale, lowering the knees back down to the floor. Coming back into a seated position to close for our practice. So just a short reset button to start the day. So coming into a comfortable seat, hands back in the lap or the knees. Closing or lowering the eyes, just noticing how you're feeling here. Physically, mentally, emotionally feeling in this moment. Seeing if there's an intention that you want to set for yourself for today. A quality you want to embody, something you want to let go of, even an action step you want to take. As you choose your intention for the day, trying to really see it in your mind's eye as if it was already true. What would it look like? What would it feel like to have that intention completed, that quality embodied or released, that action step underway? As you're ready, bringing the hands up to the heart. Taking a final moment here, feeling a sense of gratitude for your body, for your breath, and for your practice. I invite you to take a final deep breath in. Exhale, releasing the practice. Namaste.